Hello everyone, mình là Việt Nam, giảng viên level SR tại 2. Hôm nay mình có một bài sample answer cho Speaking Part 2, chủ đề về công việc. Các bạn cùng tham khảo nhé. Với đề bài này chúng ta có chủ đề liên quan đến công việc. Tuy nhiên nó có một yếu tố nữa người ta muốn nhắc đến, đó chính là yếu tố công việc quan trọng với xã hội. Vậy nên khi các bạn nói phần này chúng ta nên đưa ra những cái vai trò của công việc này, đó đóng góp những cái gì hoặc là nó giúp những cái gì cho những người khác, thay vì chỉ là miêu tả không về công việc đó. Vậy mình cùng tham khảo cái sample answer này nhé. So personally, I think that all jobs are very valuable to society. So this hierarchy system that we have about jobs, I think is very old school and divisive. Maybe I'm a bit biased, but a job that is very near and dear to my heart ever since I was a child are teachers. And the one that I want to introduce to you today, her name is Oksana, and she is my self-taught tutor teacher. We all know what teachers do for the most part. They plan lessons, they help us with exercises, homework, but Oksana's job is a bit different because her students are teachers. She helps teachers to provide a better lesson to the students, also a more comprehensive teaching experience. She works for the Cambridge training program. She helps teachers to get teaching for qualifications, improve their skills, which I think are very important if you want to advance in your teaching career. The thing that I admire about her the most is how well-spoken she is. She just has a way with words, and it's very motivating to her students. Another thing is she also really focused on inspiring people, helping people to branch out to different fields, whether it's business English or teaching for kids. She is amazing at that, and I think her psychology degree comes to play with that too. From her job, we can tell how passionate she is about teaching, and also indirectly how that is so helpful to many different students all around the world through the work that she do with the teachers. All in all, I think she is an amazing person and just a wonderful inspiration for not only me, but also all of my classmates at the time, and I really aspire to become a teacher like her someday. How did you feel about that sample answer? Let me know in the comments down below. Mong các bạn đã học được rất nhiều từ vựng cũng như là rất nhiều ý tưởng chúng ta có thể nói được cho cái chủ đề Part 2 ngày hôm nay. So, see you next time.